Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tyler Tarver with TarverAcademy.com, and today we're going to try to learn a new skill to become a Google certified educator. We're talking about today is Google Play for Education. Now, this site has changed over the past few years, but we're going to look at what it is right now in 2019 at the current iteration. Speaking of, we're talking about making purchases from the Google Play for Education store. So, whenever we're in here, we are going to go to, I always just type in Google Play for Education Store. It's the easiest way to get there. Click that first one, and it's going to take you to educational apps through the Google Play location, which is where you can buy things from Google. Top free ones, they're not really talking about purchasing. Let's talk about top paid. Let's say you want to buy Star Walk 2. You click this, and then you're going to be given this option right here. It's education category, and then boom, you can click there and buy it. And once you click that to buy it, I hope I don't actually buy this. Okay, good. So this would be attached to a device. So if we had devices for our students, this would be attached to. So I'm not associated with it, so good thing I didn't buy it. So there you go. That's how you would purchase it through the Google Play for Education app. Hope this helped. Please subscribe and check out tarveracademy.com/Google, link in the bio, to get more help on being a Google certified educator for free. See you guys later. Peace.
Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my training video. If that helped at all, please subscribe to this channel. It's free, costs nothing. Just click the little red subscribe button unless they change the color. Hey, also, if you want me to come to your school and help train your teachers or your administrators or your students and help make your life easier with Google, just let me know. I've got links in the bio on how to get a hold of me. DM me at Tyler Tarver on Instagram or Twitter. You can go hit my email, tylertarver@gmail.com, or you can just yell really loud. Maybe I'm close. Oh, I thought I heard somebody. You want me to come train you on Google? No? Okay. It'll be fun. We'll learn a lot. And I'll give you a bunch of resources. So thank you guys. Hey, did you subscribe? We talked about it earlier. No pressure. But if you want to, I'll be here. Just gonna wait right here. Look at this lighting. Oh, wow.